Guys, this is the first time I have gotten all my gear on the desk all at once to do a reaction style video. I've been working behind the scenes for a very long time to get where I need it to be. This is just the introduction of it. I'm only 25% in. We still got 75% more to go. But nevertheless, a lot of you guys been asking for me to cover content online. You guys already know I go to the malls. You guys know I go to the Nike outlets, the New Balance, Adidas. So what? What about online? There's deals online, whether you follow it on Twitter or you go to the sites directly. I'm about to cover today one of the most slept on site, and I got put on to this. I didn't even know about this. Better Generation, I think it's by PJ Tucker, his brand in Texas. But he has an app where you can go shopping on there. But what's dope and what's unique about this particular app, every Thursday, he does happy hour. And I think it's between 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So right now, we about to comb through some shoes and see what they got on sale. Nevertheless, like I said, they're only gonna get better, guys. But let's comb through some of the items that they have. So this is the Better Plus app. You can go into the App Store. I believe if you have an Android, you can get it too as well. And what they're currently showing is the discounts they have. Right now, we got 11 minutes and a few seconds left. Right now, you got multiple different discounts, like 55% off, you got 35% off, and I do believe you got 15% off. With all those discounts, not only you can get shoes, but you can get apparel as well. But today, we're only going to comb over the shoes. So first, I'm going to have to filter this by shoes. So it took me a little while. This is pre-recorded, the screen grab that is, and I'm kind of figuring out how do I sort by shoes. And once I get this going, we'll take off. So I'm sorting by the shoes, and they have apparel, so much stuff. And I can tell you what they have for footwear for men. I think it's like 88 pairs right now. Yep, and I think I sorted by that, and that's what we're gonna comb through. Right now, off rip, we got the Team Jordans. We got some Adidas as well, a whole bunch of Nikes, some Crocs, and a few of them I have clicked on. But look at the prices. The prices is not that bad. And they got some Dunks as well. Guys, you feel free to pause, but those New Balance, I think these are 990s V6. I like that colorway. And it was going for $90. Now, most recently, I just did a vlog about New Balance. Didn't see that particular pair, but I did find a similar pair. Again, Nike Air Trainers. I think those are the Air Trainers, right? Just to show you guys what the prices are, and they have multiple different colors. Another New Balance shoe that I found in the outlets. This one's going for a little bit more money. I found a New Balance for like 50 or 60. There's gonna be a few shoes that I found from New Balance that's not far off than what you could find at a clearance store. I promise you that. If you guys haven't watched my previous videos, go back and watch that. You can compare it to what you find online. Even those Ja 2s, those lime ones, you can definitely get at the Nike outlet. This is the one I wanted to get. We're gonna pause it right here. Now this particular 2002R, this shoe is going for $65. And I found it cheaper at the New Balance clearance store. I actually like that shoe. Acquire about my size, they did not have my size, but I think it's dope. 2002s are super, super comfortable. And I think we found another 2002, this one as well. And that price, what was that price? Can we slide back a little bit? See that price? That price was $65. $65 for that 2002R. Not bad. Compared to New Balance factory stores and clearance stores, these prices are not far off. They got these Vomero 5s I have not seen before. This is a clean shoe. $72 is not bad because the clearance stores have them for $79. Not that particular color, but just Vomeros in general. You can see they got a whole bunch of Air Max 1s. Unfortunately, I can't click on anything, but if you follow my arrow, this is going for $72. I recently picked this shoe up for $54.97 with additional 30% off. I got a follow-up video I'm dropping here shortly where I actually found them $5 cheaper. So this is going for $49 with additional 30% off. They have multiple sizes, but Nike cut the lid off, unfortunately. So these shoes are not too far off, especially if you can get some brand new shoes that recently dropped. And we about to come up on a pair of shoes. I think they're in the $35 the percent $35, the 35% off section that I found for great deals. Again, I had to sort them by category. Footwear men, they got the Deion Sanders in the building. That's $100. I think this is cheaper than the foot traffic sites. Here's another pair, $100 again. I think this is cheaper than your foot traffic site stores. Even had the cough drops for $156. I think that's a great deal. 35% off. I think that's more than 35% off because these shoes are $250, but y'all do the math. Bo Jackson's Air Max 95. More Air Max 95s. Are those the Pegasus 2005? Oh, again, 990 V6. I like those. They're called the Interglows. And then these Sauconys. These are super clean. I think I clicked on a few of them here coming up. Oh, nope. We clicked on these Air Jordan 1 lows from the Countdown pack. Was a mid, but they converted into a low. This one's going for $81. Cheaper than the factory stores and definitely cheaper than your foot traffic site stores. This is the cheapest I've seen it before. Those Air Jordan 3s, Rare Air sold out at $136. I mean, not a bad deal. $136 is not bad. I think we came, triple whites. This is even crazy. They sold out of the Air Force Ones. For $74, you already know Nike don't sell those shoes below $115. Anyways, we're going to the 15% off. And here goes the Sauconys I was referring to. Those are super dope. After I sorted by size, men, check these Sauconys out. They're super clean, but it's 15% off, so they're going for $153. But that's a dope colorway. I like loud shoes like this. I just don't know what the comfort is. I wonder if it's equivalent to the Vomero 5s. The purple one is clean too as well. Even this pink one for $153. This is super, super clean. I like it. It gotta be a lot lower though. 15% off, we need more than that. So hopefully the next happy hour, because they do it once every week, only on Thursdays. They got the Biohacks, lows. They got more of the New Balance 960 V6 Mint. Those are clean shoes. Whole bunch of Adidas. The Ant 2s are already on sale. Jordan 4s, those sold out there. And they got the Jordan 3s, the Mexican versions, $195.50. Seen these in the clearance store. They have a few sizes left. Whole bunch of more 990s, V6, 992s. I don't know what the hell those are towards the bottom. Yeah, this is dope. I like this. Oh, these are crazy. What is this, bro? What in the world? Let me keep going. Who's buying this? Who's buying these Studio Beer Claw Mules orange? I don't know. Is it me? Is this gimmicky? I'm sure it's for someone. I'm not sure who's watching this channel who knows about this, probably know the artist or where this came from. But I think this is pretty much it, man. It shows you that we got 15%, 35%, and 15%. You can see the countdown for the happy hour. We have 5 minutes left. This was a screen grab so I can do this talking head video. I would like to do it probably live next time, or when happy hour starts, or at least I'm already recording so we can see deals in real time and see if we can make purchases in real time. So this is just the first of the talking head videos. I had a lot of kinks behind this whole production and I'm working them out. So you're gonna get more of these. This is just a tip pause. This is a small portion of what I'll be doing on this channel when we're doing these type of videos, man. So stay locked in. Also, this by all means is not gonna stop me from dropping my regular outlet vlogs. This is just another subset of it. A lot of you guys asking for online sales, so I'm gonna be bringing it to you amongst other things. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching, man. I'm gonna see you out in the next video. Peace. Comment down below if you'd like me to do more videos like this. And if you got concepts and ideas, chime in the comments as well. Later.